bike lane. You can park right there? Trying to run me over?
Why are you running away?
Huh?
You want to stop and squash it out?
Why are you parked? Why were you parked in the bike lane?
Obviously,
Why were you parked in the bike lane?
I'm waiting for somebody. I'm handicapped.
That doesn't matter. That doesn't matter. You can't park in bike lanes no matter what.
Voting for people.
You couldn't use it. There's a parking lot right there.
Idiot.
That doesn't matter. That does not matter. You stay out of bike lanes.
I bet you next time you're going to think twice about doing that stupid ass shit.
Oh, really?
Because if I thought about doing something to you, you would be upset. Don't you ever in life hit somebody else's car? Because you don't know the situation, stupid ass. You sit there, you wake up every morning and you get on your fucking bike and that's all you fucking
And
do.
nearly get run over by fucking assholes like you.
You're discriminating. You vote every day.
Wow.
You're a discriminator.
Wow.
Nasty ass fuck.
Yep,
Don't
yep.
you ever in your fucking life
Keep making
do
excuses
again.
for yourself.
The next time I see you,
Wait, where on your handicap permit does it say you can park in bike lanes?
The next time I
It doesn't
see you,
say that.
it will be
You can't
the
use that
proper
parking lot right
I
there?
don't care what it doesn't say.
Does that give you a right to nearly run me over? Does that give you a right to nearly run me over?
You better go. You better go.
After you.
You better go.
You're more important. Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Go ahead. You're way more important than anyone
I'm
else.
scared now. Go ahead.
Fuck off.
Let's go.
Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. Ran a stop sign. Fuck you.